Yeah, here's the problem, man, you know. In the kitchen, cooking, not fried chicken, but saltfish and ackee, Jamaican national dish. You know, see it and thing? Yes, this is the codfish that I'm putting in the pot. I take it from the cold water, like that, and I put it in the pot. So now I'm gonna turn on the stove. Soak it overnight to have less salt in the pot that you're gonna cook it. But you have to still throw off again after all that soak, because catfish come with a lot of salt. And this is no sea salt really, it's land salt, and you know it can be very hazardous to the health. If you have too much salt, it can create a blood pressure on the body, you know what I mean? That in the long run you could suffer from a lot of different side effects, you know, that is not the fish fault now, it's your eating habit. Because you have some people eat too much salt, man. Don't care about blood pressure, don't care about nothing. All they care about is their taste bud. The food tastes good, you know. Yeah, I'm cutting some onion. And it's a lot of a fish like what I'm looking about. So it's a lot of people. But I have my own style of doing everything. Every chef is coming up like a craft that too, you know. So after this, Jamaican national dish. The Asian people don't eat saltfish and ackee. One and two may do, but you know they use it the ackee for a total different reason from the Jamaican.
For what reason?
Well, I never saw this for myself, so I cannot 100% say, but from what I heard from I was a boy growing up, from the people who claim they know and saw, they say it's for some kind of ritual reason, in the sense of within their spiritual realms. They use like susumba. Because in the island we use susumba and saltfish, ackee and saltfish, and they use both of these things for their a magical reason. It's ever how they see magic serve their purpose. They think these help to make it possible. I really don't know these things, you know. I don't know much about these psychological game that people plays with themselves, you know, for the wrong reason. You're supposed to get some of that food, you know, and cook, enjoy it with some vegetable. So I really cannot say, but I heard stuff. So, but I would tell the Asian they're missing something. This is what I would tell the Asian. Stop use the nice beautiful vegetarian fruit. Now I'm cleaning up the fish, taking out the bone. You don't have to, but I take them out. Cause they are big bone, you know. Like see it, real fish bone. I clean them up. Take them from the pot, you know. This is the fin. You just pull them out, you know, pull off the flesh from it. Yeah. kind of set in and have that nice flavor. No salt, no added to this. Codfish them like this. And yeah, so. And you add them like so. So my name crush nothing. So it's like I cook it again. This time with a different style. What a pretty thing, man. Check that. This is the hand of Parable Man checking out the ACKEE. I'll give an next hand a taste or a mouth a taste. You tell me what them think, you know? Yeah. Check this.
C'est bon?
Alright, I'm gonna make some splitters. Stay healthy, stay right. This is about I in the kitchen cooking a natural meal which connected to my culture. And I have to say, blessed love to Jamaica and to all the people in Jamaica. I'm here in Canada saying cut and clear, set the way and base it and set it. Yeah, I share it, you know, with each and every one that get a chance to come around I to eat it. Include those musicians that and artists that I'm cooking for this times till this time. So I'm just cutting and clear again and getting out of the way. I'm out. Take care. Video.